Welcome back to InfyGyan, my dear friends. In this video, we have one very interesting and challenging question from algebraic equations. Our equation is x plus 5 whole power 5 over x plus 3 whole power 5 plus x plus 7 whole power 5 equal to 1. So let's get started. I will check our equation at x equal to negative 5. So our numerator will become minus 5 plus 5 whole power 5. And denominator we can write minus 5 plus 3 minus 2 whole power 5 plus minus 5 plus 7 2 whole power 5. So numerator is coming out 0. Denominator is minus 32 plus 32. So we are getting 0 over 0 form. So from here we can conclude x cannot be equal to negative 5 for our equation. Now I will use substitution. Let us consider x plus 5 equal to m suppose. Once x is not equal to negative 5, m cannot be equal to 0. X plus 5 is m, then x plus 3 we can write m minus 2. And x plus 7 will be equal to m plus 2. So our equation in m would be m power 5 over m minus 2 whole power 5 plus m plus 2 whole power 5 equal to 1. Now we will cross multiply. So I can write our equation here m plus 2 whole power 5 plus m minus 2 whole power 5 equal to m power 5. Now I will write our expansion m plus 2 whole power 5 using binomial theorem and Pascal triangle. So I need to know the expansion coefficients. So for power 5 we can write expansion coefficients 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. So I will write here m power 5 for expansion coefficient 1. For coefficient 5, I will write 5 times m power 4 times 2. For coefficient 10, I need to write 10 times m cube times 2 square. Next is also 10, so I will write 10 times m square times 2 cube. Next coefficient is 5. I will write plus 5 times m times 2 power 4. And last coefficient is 1, so we'll be writing 2 power 5. Similarly, we can write m minus 2 whole power 5 expansion. This will come out m power 5 minus 5 times m power 4 times 2. Then plus 10 times m cube times 2 square. Then minus 10 times m square times 2 cube. Then I will put plus sign 5 m times 2 power 4. And the last term which I will write here minus 2 raised to the power 5. Now we will add these two equations. So we can replace LHS of our equation. Let's write m plus 2 whole power 5 plus m minus 2 whole power 5. This will be equal to, these terms will be over. So we will get 2 times m power 5. Then 10 times 2 square, which is 4. 10 times 4 is 40. So I will write 40 m cube. Then we have 5 times 2 power 4. So 5 times 16, 80. 80 times m. Now I will write this in LHS. So our equation which we can write from here, 2 times m power 5 plus 40m cube plus 80m equal to m power 5. Let's simplify. I will write 2m power 5 plus 80m cube plus 160m equal to m power 5. Take all the terms to LHS. We will get 2 minus 1 is 1. So m power 5 plus 80m cube plus 160m equal to 0. Now m is looking common. We will take m common out. In the bracket we will get m power 4 plus 80 times m square plus 160 equal to 0. So from here we can conclude either m equal to 0 or m power 4 plus 80m square plus 160 equal to 0. But as per our condition, m cannot be equal to 0. So this will be rejected solution. Now this is quartic equation and this is also quadratic equation in m square. So I can use here quadratic formula. Let us write this equation here. M power 4 plus 80m square plus 160 equal to 0. So this is quadratic in m square. I will calculate m square directly. Will be equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2 times a. Here a is coefficient of m power 4 1, b is coefficient of m square 80 and c will be constant 160. So we will get m square equal to minus 80 plus minus square root of 6400 is square of 80 minus 4 times 1 times 160. This will come out 640 over 2 times 1 is 2. Now we can write minus 80 plus minus square root 64. We can take common out. So in other square root we will write 100 minus 10 over 2. Now square root 64 is 8. I will write minus 80 plus minus 8 times square root 90 over 2. Or we can write minus 40 plus minus 4 root 90. So I will write m square equal to minus 40 plus minus 4 square root 90. Now we can write m square equal to minus 40 plus minus 4 times square root 90 can be written as 9 times 10 and this 9 will come out as 3. So I can write minus 40 plus minus 4 times 3 square root 10. Now 4 is common, so we will take 4 out, or better is to consider minus 4 common. So we will be getting 10 minus plus 3 times root 10. Now you can check 10 plus minus 3 root 10 is positive number. So overall m square is negative. So right hand side will generate negative quantity. So I can use the square root of minus 1 equal to complex number I. And in place of minus 1 we can write I square anytime. So m square will become 4I square times 10 minus plus 3 root 10. Now I will take square root both sides. So we will get m equal to plus minus 2I is square root of 10 plus minus, or we can write minus plus also, 3 is square root 10. Now m was our substitution. This was equal to x plus 5. So I will replace m with x plus 5. So let me write RHS first. 2i then is square root of 10 plus minus 3 is square root 10. This is equal to m. This will be equal to x plus 5. Now I will subtract 5 both sides. So I will write here x plus 5 minus 5 equal to minus 5 plus minus 2i times square root of 10 plus minus 3 square root 10. So plus and minus will be over. We will get x equal to negative 5 plus minus 2i times square root of 10 plus minus 3 square root 10. So overall 4 complex solutions. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.